In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ecwid to your custom built site in just 5 minutes. So if you've been looking to seamlessly integrate an online store into your website, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. First things first, if you don't already have an Ecwid account, you'll need to sign up. Simply head over to the Ecwid website and create an account. Follow the prompts to set up your store. You'll want to take some time to enter your products and configure all your store settings according to your needs. This part is really important because it lays the groundwork for a successful online store. Once your store is ready and raring to go, it's time to get the Ecwid store's embed code. To do this, go over to the website section in your Ecwid dashboard. Here you'll find an option that says add your store to one or more websites. Click on it and then choose pick platform. Now we're doing this for a custom built site, so you'll need to select custom website. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit lost, this is a straightforward process and each step naturally leads to the next. After selecting custom website, click on learn more. What you're doing here is navigating to the part of Ecwid that gives you all the nitty-gritty details on embedding your store, and soon enough you'll be on a page where you'll find a button labelled copy code to clipboard. This is your holy grail, the integration code that links your store with your website. Click that button and you've got the embed code copied and ready to go. With the code safely on your clipboard, it's now time to embed it into your custom website. Open up your website files. You'll need access to the HTML code of the page where you want the store to appear. Once you've got that open, decide on the exact spot on your web page where you want that seamlessly integrated store to pop up. Then simply paste the Ecwid embed code right there in the HTML. It might sound technical, but think of it like adding a picture to an album or a piece of furniture to a room. It's all about finding the right spot. After you've inserted the code, save your changes and refresh your web page. Presto! Your Ecwid store should now be live and embedded in your website, ready to welcome visitors. And there you have it, adding Ecwid to your custom built site in just a few simple steps. With your store now online, you're all set to reach customers like never before. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out additional resources from Ecwid. Happy selling!